All right, welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Tamaria Loc'd and I go by Tamaria Loc'd on all of my social media platforms. So feel free to follow me on whatever your favorite platform is. Today we're getting ready to dive into some energy of the tarot cards and hopefully pull some messages of inspiration, something that will help you to be motivated, some sort of guidance. And as we're pulling these messages, I just want to put a disclaimer that I am hoping that they come to me and through me through pure intentions. So we're going to be doing a 1-card read for each zodiac sign today. So if you've watched my previous videos, then we're just going to roll the dice. One has the zodiac signs, then the other has the number. So the number will be used to determine how many times we actually shuffle the cards. And then I guess as well, at the end of the 1-card read, we could also give each zodiac sign a affirmation from the Mindful Collective deck. So yeah, that is what we got going on for today. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, Divine, who do we have a message for next? Who do we have a message for next? We are looking for Aries, we're looking for Capricorn, we are looking for Cancer to go ahead and complete today's series. So who do we have a message for? Well, that was Gemini, and we already did Gemini. All right, Divine, who do we have a message for? Aries. All right, let's go. Let's get into this fire energy. So we got Aries and we have a 2-card shuffle. All right, so Divine, please help me to channel a message of inspiration, a message of guidance, a message of motivation that comes from my mind, my heart, and my tongue with pure intentions and love. Let's go. All right, so Aries, we pulled the Queen of Wands. All right, so for the Queen of Wands, you are in an energy of being very vibrant, being very powerful, being very assertive. Your legs are open, and in this card it does signify having a great sexual energy. There's a black cat at the bottom of her throne, which is signifying not bad luck, but actually that you're protected by the universe, the divine, God, whoever you believe in, because you are demonstrating an energy of enjoying your life, enjoying the time that you have within this current reality, and you're just doing so vibrantly. So because you are enjoying what you currently have, the universe is sending, you know, protection around you to lead you and protect you away from things that don't need to come into your path. So let me see what else we have for the Queen of Wands. All right, so within this energy, it doesn't have to be necessarily a feminine person. It could also be a masculine person who is just in this energy as well. So it's just a person that's very warm, passionate, a person that's very honest and sincere. Like, this person within this Queen of Wands energy doesn't have a need or purpose for deceit or being nasty. This person allows himself to love life and doesn't see a point in wanting to dominate others, but instead wants to love others. This person in this energy is very accomplished. This person is a mastery of self. This person is very inspirational, optimism. And this person has accomplished something. Like, it takes a minute to get to this energy. You don't just wake up and you're in the Queen of Wands energy. You have to do a lot of inner work to put yourself within this position. So yeah, that is what I have for you, Aries, with this Queen of Wands. Let me go ahead and pull an affirmation card for you as well. Before we end the video, this one wanted to flip over, so we'll take that. All right. So let's see, it says, I release physical and emotional tension to create space for flow. I release physical and emotional tension to create space for flow. I release physical and emotional tension to create space for flow. So that is what we have for you today, Aries. I hope that something within this message was able to resonate with you. If so, go ahead and give this video a like and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss your next message, Aries. But I will see you in the next one. Bye.